What we're going to cover today is how to get live server to work and be able to update your website automatically as you make changes to it. So first of all, you got to make sure that you got live server installed. The one that you want to have installed will be the live server here. As of today, the 26th of 2026, it is 73 million downloads, right? Definitely the best one on the market that I've seen. But it does take a little bit of setting up, and I'm going to walk you through that. So right now, as it stands, so we go here, we refresh the page. Google didn't close correctly. There we go. So we refresh the page here. So we got to set, the website is up, everything looks good, boom, boom, boom. Okay. So when I go to, let's say, make changes, so I want to change, this is the nav element, this is one of the navigation elements, what have you. So I want to make changes, I want to add some extra S's, because that's how good the services are. It's services with a few more S's. As you can see, it does not update. Why is it not updating? Well, it's because you have not set it up correctly, and so the way to be able to get it to update, first of all, so you press Control S, you can't see, you press Control S, you press Control S and you save it. When you go back to that web page, it now shows updated. Well, it's not exactly convenient, especially for if you're just starting out and you really don't know how websites work fully. This is going to be a big trip up for you. You're going to constantly feel that you might be updating the wrong element. So here's how to be able to get around that. So we're instead going to go back. So we're going to go ahead and delete this here. Alright, so we're going back to regular services, because right now it is not quadruple S service. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings. So settings here. The reason that it updates, okay, it is updating because it's updating the saved changes. And so you want to start thinking with an engineering mind state, what would make it to where auto updates? Well, you make it where auto saves. And so you want to enable the auto save feature, the after delay, right? Now that is changed like that. There's no save button, so we should be good. So back out. So now when you go here and you press the quadruple S and you go back to that page, it is now showing auto updating, right? So let's do that again. So we're going to go to 3 S's, right? So 3 S's. It's now 3 S's. Now your live server is actually auto updating. Now, for you that are brand new, if you've never done this before, you're probably wondering, well, do I want it to auto save? What if I make a mistake? How do I go back? That is where you should be using Git. Git will get around that, and if you don't know how to use Git, I'm going to go ahead and tag the video of some regular Git commands that I've compiled together. But until next time, thanks for watching.